Hello, guys. I miss you. How I wish I can talk with you on our lab right now, but we can't. And our campus closed today, so I even can't go to campus, go to my office to work on campus. I'm so sorry about that, but I hope all of you are very very fun and enjoy your life with your family at home. I think it's a great opportunity for you to build your good relationship with your family because you have enough time to stay together, right? And before we start our class, I have something fun sharing with you, and you can send me email to talk about something fun with me. And you can see here, yesterday evening, I was taking one of my online courses, and my little, can you see here? My little daughter built a just like a bed under my table, and she fell asleep during I was taking my online courses. Do you think that's funny? I was so ridiculous, just like I'm sitting here to take my online courses and I listen to my little girl was asleep under my table. That's so weird. So I just feel so funny. Yeah. So this is something fun. If you don't have kids at home, but if you have little siblings with you, I think you will have some similar situation with me. Or if you have a little kitty or dog, maybe they hope to stay with you, right? Okay, so actually, I don't have too much things to cover this week, and I just want to talk about give you a little tutorial for this week's job. So this is our first week online journey. I don't know. What do you think about that? And for our course, you just need to stay close to our Brightspace. All the announcements are coming from here. And about our lab, I will send a screencast before our lab time, or sometimes if I don't have too much things to cover, I will send you an email to just like shorten the time, give you more time to work on your assignments. And a communication between us, I prefer you email me whenever you have something feel hard, confused, or you have something need help. Okay, just let me know. We can make an appointment if we need to meet online. That'll be okay. We can use Zoom to meet online. Okay, just let me know. Okay, for this week, we have two things to finish. So the first one is IM assignment 2. I think we talked about it last week on our lab. Oh, before spring break, we can just get it through just after this. And another thing is technology round robin. Both things are due this Sunday midnight. So, okay, when you log in Brightspace and you click on week 10, you will go here. I strongly recommend you to watch this short video. Dr. Newbie just give you a tutorial of this week's task. I think it's fantastic. It almost cover all the things I want to talk about, So something new is about there. Dr. Newbie created two online discussion board. I think it's very interesting. Just like if you have some concerns or some thoughts, some things you want to share, you can click this forum discussion forum, and you can start a new thread. So this is my concern: how to get my kids away from me when I'm taking online courses. If you click more, you can see these two pictures. I think it's interesting. I just want you to have something fun during this hard time. And another thing is about is there anything good during this hard time? Yes, everyone just was isolated at home, but people are trying their best to help their community to be stronger. right? So if you have some good stories about yourself, your family, your neighbors, your community, or you got some great stories from internet, you can share here, and we can see some positive aspect of this hard time. I really like this paragraphs Dr. Newby wrote. This morning when I read this paragraph, I just like burst into tears. I think, oh, wow, I'm so moved by these two stories. And I share something here, I think, where. Okay. Oh, I think it's a great time to do exercise. So usually I don't have enough time to run as long as I can because we need to send my son to school in the early morning because he has 2 bands. But right now, she stopped school. He stay with me at home, so I can run 10 kilometers every day if I want. See, I have run 142 kilometers for this month. Every day, 10 kilometers. I love it. So it's the good things, right? For during this time. So if you go through, you can see I am too. I am too. So here is a template. You can just click it and download the template, and then you can open it, and you will see it was here. And I think we just get through it last week. You can copy your original version here, and you just get your updates here to say, okay, I plan to do this, but gradually I realized something, or I want to add something new, or I got it more to go to more details or something. You can just go to your updates here. So just like based on your IM1 and update to your IM2. And another 2 parts in this template is part 2. You need to just like talk about what technology tools you will be integrated in this IM. Just like case 5, your development or lesson plan, and you need to think about what technology you will use in this IM online module. Okay, so the final part is about your assessment tool. What tool you will use to do your assessment. We just finished our assessment tool badge. I think it's not a big deal for you. So this is our IM2. I think it's clear. And then when we go back, we can see the technology round robin. All the TAs try their best to make a video to show you another tool. So I think you can just click each one of them to see what is happening. You just learn from this tutorial. You don't need to actually do something or to do it just like right now. But I think if you get through all the videos, when you get into some specific situation, like you want to make a video, to create an ebook, or you want to use something interesting in your teaching or in your IM, oh, this idea will come up to your mind, and you can, okay, I remember I learned in the technology round robin, there is an interesting tool I can use in this specific situation, so I can just use it in that time. I think that's great, right? So that's all for this week. So after you get through these videos, you need to write a reflection based on which tool you have watched. So for each tool, you need to answer these 4 questions. You can create each one. Oh, so it's at least 3. So you need to choose at least 3 of them and make a reflection on each of them. Is that clear? You can combine them into one blog, or you can separate it to 3 blog posts. Then you just submit your link to your blog, and then I can grade for you. Okay, so that's all for this week. And I just want to cover a little more about next week. So next week we will have 2 things during our lab time. First one is our research self-perception survey. I will send you before our lab time. You can have it done anytime. I think it's better during our lab time. Just get it done. You don't need to think about that. So the quiz will just like open, I think from 9 and in the morning, and let me check our real schedule. Where is our real schedule? Okay, here. It will be open. Oh, okay. It will be open from the morning 9 o'clock. You will get some announcement based next week, but I prefer you finish quiz 3 during our lab time, because I will keep online to be ready to help you if you get into any situation, you get any problems. I can just support you. Out of our lab time, I can't just give you promise. I will just like as soon as possible give you response. Is that clear? Okay. So about IM assignment 3, you need begin work on that. I prefer this week if you have time, because you can see this week we work on IM2, and the next week we will work on IM3. IM3 was separated, divided into 2 parts. So part 1 is a full draft of your IM. That means you get almost everything done. Okay, so you have 2 weeks working on your part 1. So for part B, or here, part 2, week 13, we will do our feedback, peer review feedback. And then for week 14, we will get our IM4. IM4 is our final version. We got everything done. So change document and reflection will all do on week 14. So I really encourage you to work on your IM3 part 1 from next week until week 12. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about today. If you have any questions, just let me know. Send me email and let me know. I will try my best to give you response as soon as possible. Hopefully everybody are healthy and happy and enjoy your life with your family at home. If you get some potential internet issues, or you have some health problems or something, you just let me know. I will try my best to support you. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about today. See you next week, and send me email to update something new. Okay, bye bye.